Go.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening up 2 Shopkins. Let's see who I get, and I'm so excited. And here I go. I'm getting the plastic off. And these are really hard to open. They have the plastic, and then the cardboard, and then the little bags inside. So much to do. Okay, so right now I'm taking off the cardboard. It has some really cute Shopkins on it. And my bags, and then in the bottom it just has a Shopkins list. And let me get the scissors. And let's see who I get. Okay, I got Rainbow Bite.
Ooh.
And that's who I wanted. And let's see who's in this baggie. Kind of skinny feeling. And I got Lippy Lips.
Lippy Lips.
And this is really skinny. Okay, I got one more basket to open. Let's see if I get a new one. And both of those were new, and I think they're both common. So we're going to take off the cardboard here. It's kind of hard to take off because you have to kind of lift up the handles and stuff. But then it's also really easy to get the bags open because you can just have scissors. Oh, okay. So here's my first one, and what is this? It's Lollipop. It's in pink. It's rare. And I got one more bag to open for you guys. What will it be? Oh, this is Peppa Pepper. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.